LeBron James' incredible streak of 1,000-plus 10-point games has come to an end in his 23rd season, showing that even the King's legendary career is evolving. While fans wonder if this could be his final season, Nike is celebrating LeBron's journey with a special retrospective of his signature line. One standout release is the Nike LeBron 23 Out for Redemption, inspired by LeBron's 2008 Team USA run. This colorway honors the redeemed team that bounced back from past Olympic disappointments to win gold. Featuring patriotic University red and midnight navy tones, it includes subtle gold accents on the forefoot swoosh and laces to commemorate the medal. The LeBron 23 often mixes textures, and this edition nods to the tattoo-like Zoom Soldier 2 styles LeBron wore in Beijing, with hints of Chinese characters and lion imagery. Fans can grab the Nike LeBron 23 Out for Redemption starting January 30 for $210.